right. So look, Mac just told me about this place called Moes. I've always seen a Moes. I think we got them in New York or whatever. But he said that his Moes meal that he get is really fucking good. I don't trust him or his taste buds. This is the man that don't eat a lot of shit that I love. So I got what he orders and a few more things. Just to, cause I like to get more than one thing, cause I don't like to base my opinion on a place or an establishment based off of one item. So I'm about to go get caught in traffic. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get the food. All right, so look, I got the shit. All right, so what Mac gets inside, if y'all want the Jmac special, he gets a burrito, right, with adobo chicken, seasoned rice, no beans, adobo chicken. I think I said that already. Peppers, the grilled peppers and onions, shredded cheese, sour cream. Then he gets the red salsa with the chips and salsa. That's what. You don't have to get the adobo chicken, you get the steak. So that's what he gets. Let's see what this is about. And I got my own thing. I'm gonna show y'all Chico. Let me start. All right, so look.
What's in your plate?
I'm kidding. All right, so look. It's my first pose on this. It's my first meat-filled burrito. Real shit. Let me get one more bite, because you can't just it off one bite. Not bad. I got 2.83 out of 5. It ain't bad, but I ain't going crazy over this. I'm gonna be honest. But he wasn't going crazy over this. He was really going crazy over the chips and salsa. All right, so this is what I got. I got a steak quesadilla, which has black beans, steak, cilantro lime rice, shredded cheese, roasted corn, salsa, pico de gallo, sour cream, chipotle ranch, sour cream, and the green garden crema. Which this doesn't even look like they was able to like do anything with this. Let's see. This is it right here. I can get this shit open. I ain't gonna lie. I just don't want this shit to fly all over my car, bro. This motherfucking quesadilla is folded like a motherfucking football. It should look like that. Actually, see how it tastes. Hold up. Never mind. I ain't really fucking with it. It's edible, right? Blank. You know what I mean? This shit ain't giving. You know what I mean? Black beans already making me gassy, huh? So their whole thing is like giving out free fries and salsa. And this is what the fuck Mac said he should have just got this. Alright? This is me tapping into the Jmac taste buds. Let me taste the taste by itself. I had no flavor on that. Let me try another one, just in case. No seasoning. Let me try it with this red salsa, because he said get the red salsa.
Did you dip the chips in the salsa? I told you you're supposed to get extra red salsa, man. This salsa go crazy.
Encounter the otherworldly demon Cheshire.
Mid. Oh my god. It's not doing it for me. It don't do it for me. 1 out of 5. This is just like plain chips and like bland, kind of like bland salsa. And it's not me trying to do this because he referred it or whatever. I'm not trying to be, I ain't trying to be that guy. But I'm sorry, Jmac. I'm sorry, but this ain't it, my boy. Overall though, actually, yeah, like I said, mid. Mid. I already know this cooking gonna be ass. Yo, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Mac, I give this a total 2.8 out of 5 as a whole. I don't think I would come back. Personally, there's definitely way better spots than me that I could get food from, or I can just hold out. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one though. After all that shit, I'm gonna check my ass. That's me fake doing catch y'all.